Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can implement liquid glass tab navigation in Expo. So Expo has this really cool API which allow you to add liquid glass UI element to your app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the tab navigation which you can see in the App Store or also in the GitHub mobile app. So I'm going to show you how you can implement that. So before we start, the native tab is an experimental feature and it's only available in SDK for 54 and above. And this API is subject to change in future. And also currently this is an iOS only feature. Expo team is working on Android support as well. With that being said, if you haven't created a project, you can just run this command to create a project. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the app I'm working on and it has this 3 tabs over here. So home page, explore page and inbox page, and these page have this sample content over here. It's just a scroll view, and first of all I will give you a quick overview of the project. So I'm just using the default Expo project. Inside that I have this tabs folder which contains our tabs over here. So for example, the index page is rendering this home tab over here, and same goes for explore, so it's rendering this content over here. And for inbox, we have this inbox.tsx file which is rendering this file, this page. So let's get started. So if you know about Expo tab navigation, you can see this underscore layout file is responsible for rendering this tab navigation bar over here. So as you can see, we have this tabs component in which we are passing the screen options, and inside this component we are passing the screens. So these are the screens. So the native tabs API work in similar way. So as you can see over here, we are importing the native tabs from Expo router / unstable native tabs. We can just copy this import statement from here and paste it over here. And for now, I think we can comment this section out, or we could even remove this from here. So I'll just move it over here. Okay, now inside this return statement, we will just pass this native tab component, and let's see what else is required over here. So in this native tabs, we are passing the trigger. So for example, if you want to render the home page, we'll write native tab dot trigger and the name of the page. So for us it's index. So let's just copy this to only show the index page for now, or the home page. And as you can see, we are saying native tab dot trigger and the name of the page, which is index, and we are passing the label. So label is what's shown over here, and then we are passing the icon. So icon is this icon over here, of course, and we are just closing the native tab trigger. When I will press save, as you can see, and now it's rendering this liquid glass tab over here. And before the background was black, so now it's white. I will see how we can fix that, but for now I will just work with this. So I just need to change the label over here. So let's come over here, and I can just change this to 333, and we are seeing the label over here. Okay, so as you can see, we just added one tab over here. So to add other tabs, we have to just do the same thing. So I will come over here, and I will see native tab, and I will add a trigger, and I will pass the name of the page, which is explore, sorry, and then I will pass the label, which is explore, and then I will pass an icon. So let's just do this, and okay, I will use the autocomplete over here. So as you can see, now we have added the explore page, the inbox, and the home page. So as you can see, it's fully native. So when we are hovering over the icon, you can see it's doing the same effect we see in App Store, where it's highlighting the icon as well. So you see, if I'm going from inbox to explore, the explore icon is turning blue as well. So it's fully native. So that's how you can implement liquid glass navbar in Expo. Before ending the video, I just want to show you how it's looking on Android, as it is not supported on Android right now. So let me show you how it's going to look. Okay, so this is how it's going to look on Android. So the content, it's pretty much the same. I think I'm using dark mode over here, so that's why we are getting the black background, but other than that everything is similar, apart from the navigation bar. So I think this is the default Android navigation bar we are getting. So you can see we are getting tabs over here, only the icons are missing over here. So I think there could be a workaround for this, but as you can see the navigation is working. We are not getting the same effect over here, the glass effect over here, because this is an iOS only feature, so we will not be getting the glass effect on Android. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.